Why do majority of sales reps drop off after the first 30 days? I'm going to talk about why every single business owner deals with this, but nobody actually understands. And why do sales reps get 1 month in that are great and then completely fall off in month two? But before we get into that, what is going on, guys? My name is John Magner. I've built and scaled various B2B sales teams across many industries, mainly in the SaaS and service space. And today I'm going to be going over the month two sales rep drop off, which is way too common these days. Now, most people think that the month two drop off is a motivational issue or discipline, or that the rep just wasn't a good fit. But 90% of the time, it's actually not the sales rep's fault, but it's the environment that the rep is operating in. Now, here's the pattern I see in almost every single company that I work with. Month one, typically reps come on, they're excited, they're extremely hungry, and they're over prepared. But month two, their numbers start to tank, they miss their KPIs, and a lot of times they just get discouraged. And what happens is the business owner blames the rep starts to blame the leads, but nobody realizes when they take a step back that the real issue is just a lack of systems. In month one, the rep is just riding purely off raw energy and onboarding hype. They're running off momentum, but not structure. But by month two, the momentum is gone, and they don't have clear KPIs, daily accountability, call reviews, frameworks, pipeline structuring, and just overall the coaching support. If they don't have any of those things, the performance just completely collapses. So, look, sales isn't about talent, it's about systems. Talent gives you a strong month one, but sales systems give you a strong month 12 and predictable revenue. And if you can't keep reps consistent, it's because you haven't built out these three systems. Number one, daily behavior systems. Required dials or touch points, Slack check-ins, negotiable floors, all the daily KPIs. System number two, actual coaching with structure. Weekly one-on-one meetings, script adjustments, real-time fixes. These sales reps should be having at least 3 group coaching calls a week, plus at least 2 or 3 one-on-ones a week. And majority of times, I see no business owner or no sales manager doing this. Sometimes it's just quick check-ins, but they're not actually sitting down reviewing calls with them and things like that. You got to slow down as a business owner or as a sales manager and actually provide this coaching to your reps. System number 3 is the pipeline and CRM systems, because the biggest thing is if you onboard sales reps, they should be selling, not having to do CRM tasks and ultimately just admin work. So you're going to learn how to label opportunities, require follow-ups, show rate optimization, and speed to lead rules. And when those systems are missing, reps don't fall off. They just have nothing to hold them up. And the biggest thing is you want to allow the rep no room to guess, because oftentimes when you have a handful of reps guessing, everyone's moving in a different direction and you can't figure out what is working, what's not working, and what's missing in your systems. So you have to have everything built out so that the reps can't guess. Only thing they have to do is follow the system. And the truth is that your reps don't need more motivation. They need a system that makes it impossible for them to fail. When a rep can come in, open the CRM, and know exactly what they're supposed to do that day, that's exactly how you eliminate the month two drop off forever. So look, if you're constantly burning through sales reps or your team always falls apart after the first 30 days, stop blaming the reps and start fixing the systems they're working inside. This is exactly what we install inside the 10-day sales infrastructure system. If you want your reps performing consistently month after month, DM me Scale and we'll see if you're a good fit.